How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. And now in this video I'm talking about Ankr coin. What surprise changes occur in the Ankr coin, let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, guys. Now the right now price of Ankr coin in the market is about 0.082094 USD dollar. That is right now price of Ankr coin. Furthermore, if you study the changes update of Ankr coin, so absolutely the changes update is going positive in the market last 1 hour, last 1 day, guys. And from yesterday Ankr coin's price start pumping. So from yesterday I'm feeling very good, and especially today I'm very happy to see the positive changes, to see the pumping of Ankr coin, guys. Now you can see here, guys, absolutely for the latest situation I'm happy on this time. But for some time the price dump, but in the latest situation again the price is in the pumping mode, guys. And I believe, guys, that Ankr coin will continue this pump for a long time, guys. Now you can see here the change is about 3.62% positive, and the highest price is about 0.08331 USD dollar, guys. Now here right now price is about 0.08196 USD dollar, guys. So now Ankr coin are going in a profit, guys. If you want to buy, I think it's time to buy, because now it is the beginning of a huge pump, guys. But if you want to sell, so I think it's not a good time for selling, guys. Anyways, tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Ankr coin, and what is your prediction, what's your opinion about Ankr coin, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.